Now, to remove the storage box, you do have to use a fair bit of force. So you've got to pull up in these two corners, persevere, and it'll pop out. Now we have to take the cup out of the housing, and to do that we've got two tabs here, and just a little bit of pressure and they'll separate and it slides out over the top. You can see that. And that's how that comes out. Next, remove the sliding lid. Before you install the cup holder in your car, I highly recommend that you do a trial run first out of the car. To install the cup, these pins need to slide in the old channel at the back here. So to get into that, you slide down through the top. And you can see they need to press right up against that edge, right to the top. And they'll slide around the back. They're in that channel. And then we pull up on these two front edges. So that face here is also underneath that edge. And we push back. To get it back out again, put one thumb here, put a bit of pressure in the back, push back, and slowly release the pressure from this thumb. Okay, so we drop it down in the hole. Now if you look down in the hole there, you can see the piece of plastic that it pushes against. So you're going to pull up on the front edge, pull up on this lip until it's level underneath this housing. Right, and we're going to push forward. So we're pushing against that plastic down in there, so that's normal to feel that resistance. Push forward. Push down. Now if you see this edge bowing in like that, it hasn't seated in properly. See that edge? You're going to need to push forward in these two front corners. The sides will be level once it's in properly.